Here we go again. Notes. This time we're going to learn or talk about two new items we haven't talked about yet. Mode and range. Okay. So again, write down the lesson goal. It's 116. Find and interpret mode and range. So here's the mode. The description or the definition of mode, it's the number that appears most frequently in a data set. Okay, what that means is, let's say if you have a list of numbers and there's a bunch of 4s in there, well, 4 is going to be the mode. It's the one that is most in the set. And then steps to calculate the mode. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is identify the number that we see the most. That's it. Just look for the number that appears the most, or that we see the most. There is one thing though, there could be more than one mode. We could have like 2 or 3 modes actually. Okay, and we'll have a set here down at the bottom where this happens. Okay, so I'm going to lower this. So if you need to pause it, and I'm going to lower it. So here, the next one is the range. The range is basically like how far apart the numbers are, okay? But it's the difference between the highest and the lowest values in the set, okay? So if you want to figure out the range of a set, again, that's how far apart the numbers are. Well, this is the steps. Let's go to the steps. Find the biggest number, find the smallest number, subtract big minus small, and that'll give you the range. Okay, so again, the difference between the highest and the lowest values in a set. Some of you guys should recognize difference as subtract. This is actually like a math term. Okay, so again, copy that. Finding these is not difficult, but it's a new concept that some of you have not done, so it may take a while. So let's go ahead, and if you need to copy this, pause it and copy it. I'm going to lower it for the examples. Okay. So here's the examples. Now in the steps to calculate, I didn't say to put them in order, but it's good practice to put them in order. Okay, and I know the worksheets we're going to do today and probably in the next couple days, we will be putting the list of numbers in order. So I'm going to put these in order and then find the mode and the range. Okay. Putting them in order makes it easy to identify the mode, and it makes it easy picking out the smallest and the biggest number. So I'm going to do that. You guys follow along. So again, pick out the smallest number. Let's go. That's 2. Looks like there's a couple of 3s there. Right. Then look for the next number. There's 1, 2, 3 7s. Right, and then a 10 and a 12. Again, it's a good form to cross these off as we're writing them down. That way we save ourselves some confusion. But I am going to check them and make sure I have the same amount of numbers in both my lists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I did write them all down. So let's look the mode. Again, the mode is the number that appears the most. So if you look, we have 1, 2, 3 7s. We have two 3s and then just 1 2, 1 10, and 1 12. So the mode is 7, because that's the number that appears most frequently in the data set. Okay, and that was the description up here, the number that appears most frequently. And in the range, The range, again, it's the big number minus the small number. That's it. Here's the small number. Here's the big number. Take and subtract them, and then that's going to give you the range. Okay? So we have the mode is 7, and the range is 10. Okay, and that's it. That's it for this. Sooner, in a couple days, we're going to actually be doing all of these together. Mean, median, mode, range, some line plots. It's all going to come together pretty soon. Okay. So let's do the next example. Again, look for the smallest number. We have a 1 here. Let's go ahead and cross that off. And then it goes 3, 4. Oh, actually, you know what? There's another 1 right here. Almost confused myself. Then let's go with 3. There's 2 4s. 4, 4. Then it looks like a 5, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 5, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So then if we look for the mode, the number that appears the most, you see we have 2 4s here, and we have 2 1s, and then the rest, well, it's just 1 3, 1 5, 1 8, 1 9, and 1 10. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go back and count these and make sure they're the same size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure I wrote them all down. Okay, so I have 2 1s and 2 4s, and then 1 3, 1 5, 1 8, 1 9, and 1 10. So that means the mode here is 1 and 4, because those two numbers appear more than the other ones. Okay, and in the range is pretty straightforward. Find your small number, find your big number, subtract them, and then that's the range. Okay, so we do have 2 numbers for the mode, and then the range is 9. Now there could be up to like 3 numbers sometimes for the mode, but it's either 1, 2 numbers, or it could be like up to 3 numbers. I've seen a data set with 3 modes. And again, pause this now if you need more time to copy it. If you need to rewatch it, go ahead and rewatch it. But we are done with these notes.